This video shows how to start and operate the TY-5030 heat tunnel. First, connect the main power supply and turn on the main power switch. The power indicator will turn white. Then press the start button. The run indicator will turn green, and the heat tunnel will start operating. Next is the fan speed control knob. The maximum speed is 50 Hz. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the frequency up to 50 Hz for maximum airflow. For lighter products, 30 to 40 Hz is usually enough. Adjust according to the actual situation. Next is the conveyor speed knob. The maximum frequency is 50 Hz. Turn clockwise to increase speed, counterclockwise to reduce it. Lower speed means longer heating time inside the tunnel. Adjust speed based on shrink results. These speed settings are pre-configured according to the customer's product requirements before shipment. There is no need for the customer to adjust them again. The machine can be used directly, including the later temperature setting procedure. Next is the temperature control section. The two buttons on the right are for increasing and decreasing the temperature. Press the up arrow to increase by 1 degree and the down arrow to decrease by 1 degree. In the middle, you will find the PF button on the Omron temperature controller. .it is a shortcut key for quick temperature adjustment. Instead of entering the full menu, it allows fast changes, similar to adjusting a clock for quick setting. Now let's take a look at the Omron temperature controller. On the left side of the panel, we have two main operation keys, the level key and the mode key. The mode key is located to the right of the level key. Press and hold the level key to enter the parameter setting menu, then use the mode key to navigate through different parameters and setting items. In this system, we mainly use two important protection parameters, AL1 and AL2. AL1 is set to 70 degrees Celsius. This parameter is used as a cooling stop condition during shutdown. When the machine is stopped using the stop button, the heating function will turn off and the temperature will gradually decrease. During this cooling process, the conveyor will continue running. Once the temperature drops below 70 C, the conveyor will stop automatically, and the machine will enter a fully idle and safe state. Now press the stop button to stop heating. The current temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. After pressing stop, the heating will not stop immediately, but the temperature will slowly go down. After about 5 to 6 minutes, the conveyor will stop, and the machine will become quiet with all lights turned off. AL2 is set to 10 degrees Celsius, which defines the allowable temperature deviation range for over-temperature protection. For example, if the set temperature is 110 degrees Celsius, and the actual temperature rises to 120 degrees Celsius, the system will trigger an alarm and stop heating for protection. Once the temperature returns to the set value of 110 degrees Celsius, the heating system will resume automatically to maintain stable temperature control. On the heat tunnel control panel, there are two buttons, the emergency stop button and the reset button. They are interlocked with both the heat tunnel and the L-bar sealer. When the emergency stop button is pressed, both machines will stop immediately. To release it, rotate the red button clockwise until it pops back up. After the fault is cleared, press the reset button. This will restore the safety relay of the L-bar sealer, and the sealing blade will return to its home position. After reset, the system is ready to operate again. On the right side of the heat tunnel, there is a knob that controls the bottom air vent. Turn counterclockwise to open the vent, and clockwise to close it. Normally, this vent is kept open. If you don't need bottom hot air, you can close it. Otherwise, keep it open. Inside the heat tunnel, there are two air guide plates, one on each side. They can be adjusted up and down using the handle. These plates control the direction of hot airflow. For taller products, you can lift the angle so more hot air reaches the top area. The adjustment should be based on the final shrink result. Once the best position is found, you can lock it in place using the knob. Now we go back to the control panel. The temperature has dropped from 80 degrees Celsius to around 70 degrees Celsius. Once it goes below 70 degrees Celsius, the machine will automatically stop for safety. The conveyor will stop, and all lights will turn off. The machine is now fully stopped. Then turn the main power switch to off to fully shut down the system. This is the end of the heat tunnel operation process. Thank you for watching. For any questions, please feel free to contact our service team for support.